Hey guys, welcome to my recipes. Today we'll be making caramel popcorn. This caramel popcorn is sweet, crispy, and crunchy. It is the perfect snack to eat while binge watching a movie. And what's more is that you literally don't need any cooking skills for this recipe, just a pan. So firstly, for the ingredients, we've prepared 50 grams of popcorn kernels, 20 grams of cooking oil, 80 grams of sugar, 40 grams of water, and 20 grams of butter. This is the corn kernels we are using. We'll want to first rinse the corn kernels with water and then wipe them dry before using them. But if your corn kernels are already clean to begin with, you don't have to rinse them. Next, we'll need to heat the oil in a pan over medium heat. It is recommended that we use a larger pan here to accommodate for some extra space when the corn kernels pop. If the pan is too small, it might end up in a mess. Just a fair warning. As the oil starts to heat, we'll want to pour the corn kernels into the pan and stir it to coat with oil. Keep stirring as the kernels are heated through the oil until you see one or two starting to pop. Then, quickly place the lid on gently and lower the heat to medium-low. Within a few minutes, all the kernels should start popping. Give the pan a good shake every now and then to ensure the heat being evenly distributed. Once the popping slows down to nearly a stop, we may remove the pan from the heat and pour the popcorn into a large serving bowl. To make the caramel, we'll need to pour in the sugar and water into a clean pan and then carefully boil it over high heat. We'll want to monitor the process as we cook the caramel as we don't want the syrup to stick to the sides of the pan crystallizing. Also, we'll want to gently shake the pan or stir it like this once in a while to make sure the heat is distributed evenly. As the syrup starts to form, we may turn the heat down to a lower heat and continue boiling until golden brown. Careful not to overcook the sugar, as it will taste bitter if it is too charred. When the syrup turns golden brown, simply turn off the heat and add in the butter immediately. Carefully stir to mix the butter and caramel until they are well combined. Now, we'll want to pour all the popcorn into the pan with butter caramel and quickly but gently stir it while it's still hot to allow the popcorn to get coated. You may also do this while still resting the pan on top of the warm stove to prevent the caramel from setting too quickly. Once the popcorn is coated, we can then pour the popcorn onto a parchment paper lined baking sheet and set it aside to cool. We'll want to gently break and separate the bigger chunks of popcorn sticking together with our hands. And there you go, your very own caramel popcorn. To store them, just simply place them in an airtight container and place them in a cool spot. Caramel popcorn made on a stove is incredibly delicious. I strongly recommend you try it. You will not regret it. So if you like this video, do leave a like or comment and subscribe to our channel.